Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great week, folks. Create the perfect relationship between you and your body. Treat your body with all love, honor, gratitude, and respect. When you make it a goal to accept your body, to adore your body and accept yourself completely, you learn to have the perfect relationship with anyone else you are with. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials down 13, NASDAQ off 17, S&P's down 350. Gold contract up $3.60, trading at $1,254 an ounce. Silver flat at $18.25 an ounce. Platinum up $5.50 at $9.56 an ounce. Copper down 4 pennies at $2.60 a pound. Light sweet crude down 34 cents, trading at $50.26 a barrel. Notes: 10-year note up 18 ticks, 125.04. 30-year bond up a full point, 6 ticks, 152.01. Bottom line, folks, these notes and bonds, they want higher price, lower yield. The 10-year note, 30-year bond, they both took out a B point today with volume. Your price projection on the 10-year, we're at 125.04. You get a price projection out here of 126.15. Now, what gets intriguing about this is this. We're going to bring both of these up because this is the most consistent information. The notes and bonds, they have been the most consistent in the marketplace as to where they want to go, number one, and what does that mean for the rest of the marketplace. Well, so notes and bonds have been in a consolidation since November. They came down pretty hard. Didn't break any major swing points, but bottom line came down fast, furious. What do we do out here today? Well, we took out the B point of an ABC structure on the way up. That B point had 1.1 million contracts. We did 1.4 million. So at 125.04. Now, your swing high from February 24th is 125.04. Your swing high from February 8th is 125. So what you've done now is you've done two different things. You got a confirmed ABC structure on the way up. You're into the swing point. We actually did more volume than the swing point. No, we did less volume than the swing, which is 1.7 million. We did 1.4. But you get your price projection. If, in fact, we get that price projection, folks, it's going to launch this. This baby looks to me like you're talking about a 128 inside your 10-year. That's going to bring the yield right down to about 2.1 on a heartbeat. We're at 2.334 right now. If we go to the 30-year bond, what you're going to see is that the 30-year also followed through. We did 289,000 contracts. We're trading at 152 rather. Your B point is 152.03. We hit 152.10. You did 280,000 contracts versus 206. So that also, the A point on this is I'm going to call it 146, just a ballpark it, meaning it's 145.26 to 152. So you're talking 6 points, which gets you up into the 156 area, which also is a big number. That's going to bring us to the November 9th area, and that's where we came down. If you want to take a look at the TLT, you can kind of see it inside the TLT. The TLT is the 20-year bond fund plus that we did 12 million shares out there. It's going into 6.8, and I suspect what you're going to see with this TLT wants to run up into the 127. We'll see whether it fills the gap higher at the 129. So bottom line is that notes, bonds, all of the above, higher price they're going, they want lower yield. King dollar, what do we have with gold contract? Let's go over to the gold contract. So gold contract, what do we do inside the gold contract? That traded higher out here today. We had 135,000 contracts. We're going to need more contract volume inside the gold. I want to see somewhere up about 175, 200,000 contracts. It looks like we're going to go after that B point of another ABC structure. 1264.20 is the number. Now, what we also have is that we're in, and we've continued to eat into the swing high from the 27th of February. That swing high, the low of that swing high is 1254. The high's 1268. You know, we'll see whether we can get up and over it. It's been building cause for quite a while to just do that. The silver market, strong. The silver market is pushing against the swing, and it has some volume pushing against the swing. So silver, this is the 6th day in a row. We're laying out at the same number, meaning up at the $18.20 mark, or $18.25 right now. And I suspect that silver wants to actually blow away the swing point from February. It looks to me like silver wants to make the run right up into the November 9th time frame. Big numbers. No two ways about that. Now, King Dollar. What do we have with King Dollar? King Dollar has continued to try to get into the downdraft from the March 15th area. That downdraft, the lower that downdraft is 100.320. Thus far, we did out here, we hit 100.560 today. You're at 100.340, and we did 19,000 contracts. That 19,000 contracts, that's not even close, folks. It's going to need a lot more contract volume as it just tries to clear out that supply line. We're going into 47,000 contracts. We got over the high of Friday, got over the high of Thursday, gave both of them up. So you're underneath both of those. You have lighter volume. It's a fair in price, fair in volume. Bottom line, good old King Dollar looks like it wants to go back down to the lower end of this consolidation, which is 98.67. Well, we did get out here in the auto sector today. The auto numbers came down. You had GM go down $1.19 with volume. This is coming into a swing point of 33.79. It looks like it wants to actually trade down to $30.31. That's a big number because GM right now is at 34. Ford also came down fast, furious. Ford's actually an ABC structure on the way down. You broke a B point with volume, so 1274 is your A mark. It's about $1.38 a B, so that lines up about a $10.50 price projection, and you do have a high volume swing at $11, but it looks like it wants to go lower than that. So this would be interesting. So because what you do have is that I just pulled this back. Let me pull it back further. Actually, I'll pull it back on a 10-year. Yeah, oh, I see. On a 10-year, we've been consolidating since for 7 years. But it looks like Ford wants to go to the lower end of this consolidation. The lower end of that consolidation being $9.56. You're at $11.44 right now. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Dow Industrials closed down 13. NASDAQ off 17. S&P's down 3.5. We're going to be right back.